Welcome, wellness seekers, to the WELLKULÅ Kitchen, where functional culinary medicine comes to life. My name is Dr. Monisha Bhanote, your personal well-being doctor, advocating for the mantra, self-care is self-care. My goal here is to help you restore your health by understanding the power of integrative lifestyle and functional culinary medicine. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe for more content just like this. In this video, get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also elevate your well-being with the power of plant-based nutrition. In the WELLKULÅ Kitchen, we believe in the transformative potential of food. By incorporating functional culinary medicine principles, we aim to restore cellular health and unlock the extraordinary benefits that real whole foods have to offer. Together, we'll explore vibrant recipes and wellness tips that harness the power of plants and the art of mindful eating. So whether you're a wellness enthusiast, a nutrition seeker, or simply curious about the wonders of integrative lifestyle and functional culinary medicine, you're in the right place. Join us today as we delve into the world of high-protein breakfast shakes crafted with real, nutrient-dense ingredients. Say goodbye to protein powders and embrace the abundance of whole foods for a truly nourishing experience. To start a protein-rich journey, we'll create a delicious creamy almond bliss shake. Here's what you're going to need. 1 ripe banana, 1 cup almond milk, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1/4 cup rolled oats, 2 tablespoons hemp hearts, and 2 pitted dates. Don't forget those ice cubes if you want to have it cooled down. This shake is power-packed with plant-based protein sources. The breakdown is as follows. The banana has 1.2 grams of protein. Almond milk has about 1 gram of protein per cup. Almond butter has 6.6 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Our chia seeds have 4 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Our rolled oats have 4 grams of protein per 1/4 cup, and our hemp hearts have 10 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. Now, what you're going to do is blend all these ingredients together until smooth, and voila, you have a creamy protein-packed breakfast shake that provides approximately 29 grams of protein to kickstart your day. Now, let's dive into why this is a functional culinary medicine shake. Here are the health benefits of some of the ingredients: almond butter, chia seeds, and hemp hearts. First off, almond butter. Almond butter has heart-healthy fats. It is a great source of monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to help reduce LDL, which is our bad cholesterol, and promote heart health. Plus, almonds have vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, we also have magnesium. Almond butter contains a mineral, magnesium, that is crucial in a number of body functions, including nerve and muscle function, blood sugar regulation, and blood pressure management. Our almond butter also provides a good amount of plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle health, and maintaining a strong immune system. Our second key ingredient in this shake is chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to reducing inflammation, supporting brain health, and promoting healthy skin. Chia seeds are also packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes feelings of fullness and aids in weight loss management. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support overall cellular health. Chia seeds are also a good source of essential minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are important for bone health, energy production, and muscle function. And the last key component in this shake is hemp hearts. Hemp hearts are a complete protein, meaning they provide all the essential amino acids that our bodies need for optimal growth, repair, and overall health. Hemp hearts also are rich in omega-3s, which play a vital role in brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting cardiovascular health. Hemp hearts also contain a dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes fullness, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Hemp hearts also have vitamin E, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, which support the body's various bodily functions, including bone health and muscle function. Well, now that's truly a functional culinary medicine shake. The creamy almond bliss shake not only provides a delicious blend of flavors, but also offers a wealth of health benefits with the power of almond butter, chia seeds, and other nutrient-rich ingredients. This shake is a perfect example of how functional culinary medicine can be both nourishing and satisfying. By incorporating this protein-packed shake into your morning rituals, you're fueling your body with the goodness it needs to thrive. Cheers to cellular health and the joy of plant-based nutrition. Our next shake is the Vital Green Protein Elixir, a nourishing blend designed to elevate your wellness and support your overall health. Loaded with leafy greens and other powerhouse ingredients, this elixir will fuel your body with essential nutrients and plant-based protein. Let's dive into the recipe and discover the incredible benefits of this revitalizing shake. Our ingredient list includes 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of kale, 1 ripe pear, 1 cup oat milk, 1/4 cup raw cashews, 1/4 of an avocado, 2 tablespoons hemp hearts, 1 tablespoon flaxseed, 1 tablespoon moringa powder, 2 pitted dates, and ice cubes. This shake is a nutritional powerhouse, offering a substantial amount of plant-based protein. Let's add it all up. Our spinach is going to be 2.4 grams of protein per cup. Our kale is 2.9 grams of protein per cup. Our pear is 0.6 grams of protein. Our oat milk contains 3 grams of protein per cup. Our raw cashews have 5 grams of protein per 1/4 cup. Our avocado has 2 grams, and our hemp hearts have 10 grams of proteins per 2 tablespoons. Additionally, we have moringa powder that has 2 grams of protein and dates with 1.6 grams of protein per 2 dates. Now, the Vital Green Protein Elixir is not only a delicious and refreshing shake, but it also is a powerhouse of health benefits. Plus, it has 32 grams of protein to start your morning. Let's take a moment to summarize the incredible benefits of these key ingredients. The first ingredient is our cashews. Cashews are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been associated with improved heart health and reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Cashews are also packed with essential minerals like magnesium, zinc, and copper, which support bone health, immune function, and energy production. Cashews provide a good amount of plant-based protein, helping to build and repair tissues, support muscle health, and keep you feeling satisfied. Plus, cashews make the smoothie very creamy. Next up is moringa. Moringa is known for its high antioxidant content that helps to fight off free radicals and protect the body from oxidative stress. Moringa is a great source of vitamin A, C, and E, as well as minerals like calcium and iron, promoting overall vitality and well-being. Moringa has been traditionally used for its anti-inflammatory properties, supporting a healthy immune system and reducing inflammation in the body. In fact, moringa even has more vitamin C than oranges. Our third ingredient is dates. Dates provide a natural sweetness to the elixir without the need for refined sugars, making it a healthy alternative for satisfying your sweet tooth. Dates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion, promoting feelings of fullness, and helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. Dates contain minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron, which support proper heart function, muscle health, and oxygen transport in the body. By incorporating cashews, moringa, and dates in this Vital Green Protein Elixir, you're not only enjoying a delicious shake, but also reaping the benefits of these nutrient-dense ingredients. So sip on this elixir and nourish your body with the goodness it deserves. Here's to your health and vitality. Our final high-protein breakfast shake takes us on a journey to the Gut Revive Smoothie, a revitalizing blend designed to support your gut health and overall vitality. This exceptional smoothie combines ingredients known for their gut-loving properties, giving you a refreshing boost to start your day. Let's dive into the recipe and discover the amazing benefit it offers. This Gut Revive Smoothie has 1 cup chopped pineapple, 1/2 cup mango, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of pistachios, 2 tablespoons hemp hearts, 1 tablespoon sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and ice cubes. The Gut Revive Smoothie not only provides a tropical and invigorating experience for your taste buds, but also offers a wide range of benefits for your gut health. It comes in at 33 grams of whole foods plant-based protein. Let's break down the protein content for each ingredient. Our pineapple has 0.9 grams of protein, mango 0.8 grams of protein, coconut milk 5 grams of protein per cup, pistachios 6 grams of protein per 1/4 cup, hemp hearts 10 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons, sunflower seeds 5.5 grams of protein per 1/4 cup, shredded coconut 0.8 grams of protein, lime juice 0.1 gram of protein, and chia seeds 4 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. All right, so now let's talk about the gut health benefits of coconuts, pineapples, and pistachios. Coconuts are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The fiber in coconuts also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Coconuts also contain an ingredient called lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid with anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce inflammation in the gut, supporting overall gut health and reducing the risk of digestive disorders. Next up is pineapples. Pineapples contain an enzyme called a bromelain, and this aids in digestion of proteins. It improves digestion by reducing bloating and alleviating symptoms of indigestion. And then the third ingredient is pistachios. Pistachios are a great source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements, and provides fuel for the beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut. Pistachios contain prebiotic fibers such as fructans that selectively stimulate the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This can enhance gut health and support the balance of the gut microbiota. Pistachios are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals such as polyphenols, which have been shown to be anti-inflammatory and protective on the gut lining. These compounds help maintain the integrity of the gut barrier and support overall gut health. By incorporating coconuts, pineapples, and pistachios into your diet, you can enjoy the gut health benefits they offer. These ingredients contribute to a balanced and thriving gut ecosystem, promoting digestion, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall gut health. By sipping on the Gut Revive smoothie, you'll nourish your body while revitalizing your gut health. So raise a glass to the revitalization of your gut and enjoy the invigorating journey this smoothie offers. Cheers to a vibrant and thriving gut. And there you have it, wellness seekers. We've explored the power of using real whole foods in your high-protein breakfast shakes without relying on processed protein powders. Incorporating ingredients like almonds, spinach, kale, pistachios, and more, we've crafted 3 incredible shakes that not only provide a substantial amount of protein, but also offer a plethora of additional health benefits. By opting for real food ingredients, you're not only fueling your body with natural, nutrient-dense goodness, but also harnessing the potential of functional culinary medicine. These shakes, from creamy almond bliss to the Vital Green Protein Elixir and the Gut Revive Smoothie, showcase the incredible flavors and benefits that can be achieved through the harmonious combination of plant-based ingredients. So let's raise our glasses to the wonderful world of real food and the endless possibility it holds for restoring cellular health and nourishing our bodies from within. Whether you're seeking a creamy delight, a revitalizing elixir, or a gut-loving blend, these shakes serve as a great starting point to embark on your wellness journey. Remember, the key lies in embracing the abundance of whole foods and incorporating them into your daily rituals. So go ahead and get creative with your own variations, exploring the vast world of plant-based nutrition and mind-body medicine. Remember, habits are for short-term pleasure, routines are for daily maintenance, and rituals are for your long-term functional well-being. See you next time and enjoy your shakes today.